Hello, my friends. Well, today I am both excited and nervous to do this pour. I'm excited because I'm doing a collaboration with Beatrice Brown. Her YouTube channel is ARTOBSESSIONOZ, and we decided to challenge each other with a pour. So I got to choose the surface and the technique. I chose this round canvas because I love the round surfaces. And I'm going to do a jiggle pour. And B chose the colors. Now I'm nervous because she chose 9 colors and I don't usually use that many in my pours. So it's a little scary. Now she's from Australia, so her colors are from Wholecraft, which is an Australian company. So I don't have those same colors, but I went by the names and did the best I could to figure what they were. So 6 of these are straight from the tube, white, yellow. 3 of them are mixed. This was supposed to be medium yellow, so I just added some orange to it to warm it up. That's I'm calling my medium. Neon pink, magenta, that came from the tube, turquoise. Oh, let me show you the consistency. This is all mixed with my polycrylic mix. And the tube paints I mixed 3-to-1. I'll put all the details below. The black and white were just the Artist Loft Floetrol, and that was mixed 2-to-1 because they're a bit thinner. So turquoise, this was a custom mix. This is indigo. And this I mixed with primary, cyan, some white, and a speck of Alizarin crimson. Came up with that color. This is a custom mix. This was bluish green, or greenish blue. And I just mixed phthalo blue and phthalo green and a pinch of white just to help the opacity, and came out this luscious teal color, and black. So the big question is how to layer them in the cup, and I was thinking of going just light to dark, but these are so similar, and all those blues in a row, I think I want to mix them up. So I'm going to swap the maybe the teal and the yellow, and maybe the neon and the turquoise. Yeah, because that'll be very pretty together, the bluish green and white. This will just make another green. This will be, I think those will be okay. This will make another, oh, wait a minute, I don't want yellow next to the black. That won't do. I will like that. Yeah, and I'm just going to do one layer, I think. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Do one layer, but I'm going to pour them in side by side. Here we go. I did have more white. I should have reserved some of that, perhaps. Okay, now I'm going to rotate the cup. Can you see into the cup as I pour? Kind of. And pour like this. Rotate again. And rotate. I got a sneak peek at her pour. She's already done it and it's beautiful, really wonderful. I hope I can come up with something even half as good. I'm just gonna do that. Maybe I'll save some in case I need to do something with it. Okay. And here we go. I'm just going to, what am I going to do? Just kind of jiggle pour it in a circle, I think. Got a big black dot so far. Oh, here we go. It's doing something. Okay, well, I'm not sure what I make of that so far. That's kind of fun. Looks like a firework. I lost the lovely warm orange. That's gonna go away. If I have any left, you know what? I'm gonna scrape together what I have left and then maybe add into that large, you know what, first I'll tilt it and then I'll decide what to do next. Okay, here we go. I don't care for that very much, so I don't mind losing that. Bring this back in, that's pretty. Bring that over. I have an excess of this turquoise. I can spare some of that. Oh gosh, I love that color. I don't mind having some solid color as well. Oh, that's fun. And this is where I should have used a flow extender to not lose this on the side, but it's too late now. Okay, let me look at it, size it up, think about it. I like this. I've made the mistake. I don't want to drip on it, but my thumb's pretty clean. I like this. I like that stripy area, and I like the pink stuff going on there. So I'm going to send this down there just a bit to add some interest to that. I like the curvature down there now. Now this is rather plain. Let's see if I can move the weight down here and then back that away and see what happens without changing the rest of it too much. Oh, I like that. There's one funny little area there. Watching it all move while I cover that one tiny bit, but I had to do it. And maybe that. Or not. Maybe I'll leave that. It's kind of a pretty pop of yellow there. Okay, let me spin it around and look at it from various directions. I think I like this being the bottom. I'll turn it that way for you. Towards you. Kind of looks like an underwater landscape with some colorful coral and seaweed. I don't know. Let me take you in for a closer look. That neon pink is fun. I love the effect you get like this with the jiggle pour. This is probably my least favorite area. The colors are okay, but I just don't like those wormy looking things. Overall, I think it's pretty fun. This was a challenge. I think I had too much paint on the canvas. I think I could have used less and been happy. Well, there you go, Bee. It was fun. I enjoyed doing this with you. It looks entirely different than yours. And that's what's so fun about these type of collaborations. Okay, folks, be sure to watch Bee's pour and visit her channel often. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.